This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Audi Q5 key battery. This simple do-it-yourself task can save you a trip to the dealership and ensure your key fob remains fully functional. You will only need one new CR 2032 3-volt coin battery, which is readily available. The entire process is straightforward and takes just a few minutes to complete. To begin, turn your key fob over to locate the small release button on its back. Press this button firmly, and then slide out the emergency key. This key is essential for manually unlocking your car, so keep it safe. Removing it reveals the access point for the battery compartment, preparing the fob for the next step. With the emergency key removed, you will see a small catch or button. Press this to release the battery carrier, then gently pull the carrier out. Carefully remove the old CR 2032 battery from the tray. Now, insert your new CR 2032 3-volt battery, ensuring the positive side, marked with a plus sign, faces downwards into the carrier. Once the new battery is in place, slide the battery carrier back into the key fob until you hear a secure click. Next, reinsert the emergency key into its slot until it locks firmly. Finally, test your key fob by attempting to lock and unlock your vehicle's doors. Your key fob should now be fully operational with its new power source.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.